Hey everyone, Ben here. Data has been called the new oil and even the new gold. And Israel is one of the hottest tech hubs right now, and that has been called the new Silicon Valley. So in this video, I'm going to be discussing a new company which was announced to be going public just a few hours ago in the auto tech industry, an Israeli-based company, which also has many tailwinds behind it from the electric vehicle industry and the big data industry. But before we dive into that, if you're new around here, feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. If you do find any value in this video at all, even just a little bit of value, please give this video a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously with the YouTube AI. If you want to know exactly which stocks I'm buying, which stocks I'm selling, and access my entire investment portfolio, then check out that first link in the description below for the VIP membership group. With that being said, let's dive in. What is this company? Well, the company is called Ottonomo, and it's an Israeli auto tech company in the big data industry. So other big data companies, you could think of Palantir, and many other big data companies are in this space right now. But Ottonomo focuses on collecting data from various different OEMs or original equipment manufacturers. It partners with a lot of leading auto manufacturers from BMW to Mercedes. Now, this company is in a growing industry because today's cars are like supercomputers on wheels and even sensors on wheels. So let's dive into these headlines and find out a little bit more. Okay, so Israeli-based Ottonomo, the connected car data platform, is in talks to go public with Software Acquisition Group Incorporated 2 on the NASDAQ. So partners include BMW, Daimler, Mitsubishi, and even Mercedes-Benz. So the company was founded by CEO Ben Volko, great name by the way, and he has raised $82 million to date, including a $46 million Series C financing round last April from SK Holdings. So the valuation last April for this company privately was around $465 million. So this is still a very small company, it's still a small cap company, but very interesting in a growing market. So here's the company's website. It's a one-stop shop for vehicle data, as simple as that. One agreement, one integration, and one data dictionary, and a myriad of possibilities. So this is what this company does. Here are some potential applications. One is in-vehicle delivery, which I think is fascinating. So let's say you order something online from Amazon, and instead of those dropping it to your house, let's say you're at work and you're not at home, or leaving it with your neighbor, basically using a connected platform, an in-car delivery platform, the delivery driver, whoever it may be, can use, say, some sort of code to access the trunk of your car, place the parcel in, and then close and lock the trunk. And then when you get back from work, you can pick up your parcel with no issue. Another application for vehicle data could be in-vehicle fueling. So this could be another example. You're at work. Let's say your vehicle is in the car park outside. You forgot to go to the gas station on the way to work. Let's say you're in a rush. So then you can actually have somebody come out, or even some sort of robotic fueling of your vehicle while you're at work, and you don't even have to drive to a gas station. This could even be overnight as well. Let's say your vehicle is parked at home. Rather than having to go out and drive to a gas station, you could have somebody come to your home, or a robot come to your home and actually fill up your vehicle using this in-vehicle data. So there are a myriad of possibilities with this data. Another is predictive maintenance. Let's say you're driving in your vehicle, you're on a bumpy road, your suspension will be going up and down. That will be releasing lots of data. A system like Ottonomo can actually collect this data and actually predict where the roadworks need to be done on a certain road. Smart city. So another example here is safety and emergency. So let's say you have a crash in your vehicle. The vehicle, if it's a smart vehicle, could automatically detect that you've had an impact and call emergency services, in addition to unlocking your vehicle doors so emergency services can gain access to you easier. Then you have fleet management. This could be car rental companies, this could be trucking companies, and many, many more. Mapping and planning, concierge services, electric vehicle services, innovative insurance, location intelligence, remote diagnostics, construction equipment, traffic management, parking, predictive maintenance, and media measurement. So there's so many applications for a technology like this, which is collecting all this data from our vehicles. Mitsubishi Motors and Ottonomo partner to deliver connected car applications and services to benefit drivers and cities. Avis, so this is a really interesting one. So the Avis Budget Group partners, they are a massive rental company. I'm sure you guys have seen these before. So they have partnered with Ottonomo to help optimize Avis Budget Group's connected car data to realize new societal benefits, including smart city and traffic planning. So the fleet will cover an estimated 4 billion road miles this year and is anticipated to generate over 7 billion road miles of data with its fully connected fleet in 2020. So that's the Avis Budget Group. Now, I did notice in an SEC filing, I've been researching this company, the information about this company was only released a few hours ago, so this is very, very new. You guys always ask me for these early updates, so I'm getting you this information as early as possible. So patent activity, there's quite a few patents here that this company has filed. Method and system for bundling automotive data, so a variety of patents there that could be a competitive advantage for this company. Also, I want to show you the share price because this SPAC has not ran up yet. As you can see here, Software Acquisition Group Incorporated 2. So it's still at $10 per share as I'm creating this video right now. And as we know, with many of these SPACs or special purpose acquisition companies, which are basically the new IPO, they tend to shoot up by around 70 to 80% within the first few days. So I believe this one will do the same. Now, this is an Israeli company, so it might be slightly more under the radar, but it is on the NASDAQ, so it is US listed. Okay, so a little bit more information here. So they had 131 employees as of 2020. Here's another investor, SK Group. This is a Korean company. So South Korean group SK is leading the current round with a $10 million investment. SK is the third largest conglomerate in South Korea and has $83.5 billion in annual revenue. So these guys have invested into this company and they've stated there is a lot of demand for our capabilities in the market. So very, very popular platform for data. Now, there's been quite a few Israeli companies recently going public, and I do think this is a new area to watch. ARK Investors even created a new ETF, I believe, focused in the Israeli tech industry. And I can imagine a stock like this being incorporated into that ETF. Israel did go public recently, a few tech companies. So we have Israeli Auto LiDAR technology company, Innoviz. So they announced a merger with SPAC Collective Growth Corp, CGRO, at a company valuation of 1.4 billion. And last week, Israeli media content discovery platform Taboola, so that's a very interesting one also, agreed to merge with SPAC Ion Acquisition Corp 1, ticker IACA, which raised $260 million. I do think this is the next place, this is the next hottest place for tech to come out of. You may have seen this with Lemonade. So Lemonade, the disruptive insurance company. I mentioned that company many months ago on this channel. I did invest into that company personally. This was Lemonade. And now the stock is up for that company, I believe, around 186%. So great returns for you guys and congratulations for those who invested into that company. Now, there is a few risks with this company, and the one major one I do need to highlight for this company is I can't find any financial information. So I've looked in the SEC filings, I've looked on the investor relations, there's no real investor relations page for this company because it's so new that the company plans to go public. I watched a few interviews by the CEO, he seems really chilled, really laid back, so perhaps they just haven't got around to releasing that financial data yet. So it is speculative if you do decide to invest into this company. From the partners that this company has, from the growth in the amount of platforms this company has at the moment, it does seem like this company is growing at a fast rate, although there aren't any numbers to back it up at this stage. So this is the risk if you do invest now. It is a speculative play. Of course, I believe the numbers will be out in the next few days, but still could be an interesting spec play. We know these SPACs can shoot up massively and it's still at $10 per share. So really that could be a great opportunity to get in there. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you guys my thought process, my potential thought process on potentially investing into this company as part of my speculative portfolio. And then after, I'm going to check up on the numbers and I'll put all that information in the VIP Discord group so you guys can check out that if you're a member of the group. Other risks I can see with Ottonomo at the moment is the fact that the merger could not complete. So the details we have at the moment is the company is in talks with that SPAC company. So that is not a final agreement at this stage. So that is the second risk we can see with this company. The third risk is the automotive industry being a cyclical industry. So let's say the automotive industry does really bad, such as in 2020, apart from Tesla, then this company might also be hit on the back of the automotive industry getting hit. Although I could see this company being acquired by a large tech company such as Nvidia or maybe even Tesla. Okay, so if you guys did find any value in this quick update video, please do give this video a big thumbs up. That helps out tremendously in the YouTube AI. Comment below if you want more videos like this, these quick SPAC updates, news overviews. Comment below, I'd love to hear your thoughts, and also your thoughts on the Israeli tech companies coming out of there right now. And if you're new around here and you still haven't subscribed, feel free to join the investing family by hitting that subscribe button and turning that notification bell on. And if you wish to know exactly which stocks I'm buying, which stocks I'm selling, and get real-time updates on new SPACs just as they come live at $10 per share before they shoot up to 70, 80, 90%, then feel free to check out that first link in the description below for the VIP membership group. With that being said, I hope you guys are doing well during these crazy times. I hope you have a tremendous day, and I'll see you all in my next video. Invest safe.